How to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. So if you want to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone, then there is a way. What you need to do is first you just need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store. So first go to your Play Store or your App Store, and then you need to go for the search and search for WhatsApp. Once you've searched, now here if you have any updates, then you can simply go and update your application, because if you want to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone, then it's a new update, so you just need to go and update. And once you've updated, now you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open your WhatsApp, now you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then go for settings. Once you're here on the settings, you need to go for your profile. So simply tap on your profile. Once you've tapped on your profile, here you might have a drop down bar. But if you don't have, then here on the right side of your profile name, you will have a QR code and a drop down bar. So simply tap on the drop down bar, and here on the bottom, you will have this kind of interface where you'll be able to add an account. So tap on add account. Once you tap on add account, it will take you to the login page of WhatsApp. So tap on agree and continue. And here you need to enter the country and the country code and the mobile number in which you would like to log in. And once you've entered the mobile number, you need to tap on next, and you need to verify with some code or something. And after that, you'll be able to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. So that's how you can use it. It's the new update, so make sure to update it from your Play Store or your App Store. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.